Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to add text to your videos. First, select a reliable video editing program, such as Adobe Premiere Pro or DaVinci Resolve, which offers robust text features. Next, import your video footage into the project timeline. Then, find the dedicated text or title tool, usually found in the Graphics or Effects panel, to begin your creative process. This foundational step is crucial for all subsequent text additions. Once your text is on screen, it is time to customize its appearance. Experiment with various font styles to match your video's tone, perhaps a bold sans serif for impact or an elegant script for sophistication. Adjust the size and color to ensure excellent readability against your video background. Consider adding subtle animations, like a fade-in or a gentle slide, to introduce your text smoothly and engage your viewers. Precise placement and timing are key for effective text. Drag your text box to a clear area, ensuring it does not obstruct important visual elements. Determine exactly when your text should appear and disappear, setting its duration on the timeline. For maximum impact, synchronize text with specific moments, like a speaker's emphasis or a scene change. This thoughtful approach ensures your message is delivered at the perfect instant. Before sharing your masterpiece, thoroughly review the entire video. Check that all text is correctly spelled, perfectly positioned, and appears for the intended duration. When satisfied, proceed to export your project. Select a common format like MP4 for broad compatibility, and choose a high resolution, such as 1092 by 1080 pixels, to maintain crisp visual quality.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.